Good day everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to solve complex number. So to solve complex number, we know that complex number has an imaginary number. And our imaginary number is symbol for I. I means imaginary number. And our value of I is square root of negative 1. So we must remember this. I is value is square root of negative 1. And if we squared it both side, so therefore our I squared is equal to negative 1 because it will be cancel this square root. So first we must remember that our I is equal to negative 1 and our I squared is yung value is negative 1. So let's have an example. So simplify square root of negative 9 plus square root of negative 16. So first step, we solve this first. So square root of negative 9 is equal to square root of 9 times square root of negative 1 because it is the radical rule. So square root of 9 is simply 3. And our square root of negative 1, as we remember that our square root of negative 1 is value siya into I. So this square root of negative 1 is change lang nato siya into I. So therefore our answer in this solution is simply 3I. So next, solve this in the right side. So square root of negative 16 is pwede siya to square root of 16 times square root of negative 1. And we know that square root of 16 is simply 4 and square root of negative 1 is simply I. So next, let's just add them. So 3I plus 4I. This 3I is here and this 4I is here. So 3I plus 4I is simply 7I. So we have now our final answer, 7I. So let's have another example. So let's have an example for subtraction of complex number. So if we say 8 plus 5I plus minus 3 plus 2I. So how to solve that problem? So first, if we see negative symbol, negative sign, so firstly we must distribute it in the right side. So let's just distribute it by 3 and here. So therefore it will 8 plus 5I. So minus negative times 3, so simply negative 3, and negative plus 2I is negative 2I. So it will change it by this. So if we see negative, so we must first distribute it. So So next step, so we just simply using combine like terms. So by combining like terms, we have 8 plus negative 3 is simply positive 5, and 5i and negative 2i is simply negative 3i. So we have now our final answer. So that's how we solved our complex number. So I hope that's it, guys. So I hope you have learned from my video. So thank you for listening, and God bless us all.